Hey, this is just a very quick start into Laravel. Uh, we should be done within a minute if all goes well. We're just going to take the DDEV um, composer instructions. We're going to paste them in and we're going to hit enter. And we're going to let DDEV do its thing. It's going to talk to Docker. It's going to say what's up, spin up, as it's doing now. And yeah, by the way, I'm sitting over here now. Right on. Laravel. Composer's doing its thing, installing the packages listed in the composer.json directory, file, which, if you are unfamiliar, looks like this. All right, we got some simple key value pairs, name, Laravel, type, project, so on and so forth. Hey, there's our Laravel right there. Just back to the composer. The most important bits are right here, not the license, although yes, very important. The requirements, we got PHP, we got Guzzle, we got the Laravel framework, Sanctum, and Tinker. Sanctum is a authentication library, I guess, within Laravel, used for front end app, like what do you call that? SPAs, SPAs. Now, the required dev, also important. These do not get installed in production unless you're doing something wrong, and they do all the good stuff while you're developing. See, like there's PHP unit, which is for testing. Can't remember what Laravel Ignition is exactly, but it's there. So, oh, Sail, very important. Not so much for us since we're using DDEV, but I highly suggest you get to know what it is anyhow, because it is officially supported in Laravel. But okay, we have a Laravel installation, and next we will do something great with it.